Bafetso, a ke re la re tsamaya. Ra tsamaya. Mara re tlo sala le bana. Le tlo sala le bana. Nahana tsa bojabulano to ba stepfather sa Abdul.
Hello Mzansi and the world, welcome to another special episode here on Mzansi's Funniest Videos. My name is Davis Mohomo. Please, if you enjoy this content, please like, comment and share. Okay.
And then, how to chelete in chin or di chipiti. So what I'm trying to tell you, go here, Majid. Mosadio how Jolene Nandu represents your income. Or represent the income how?
I have a business idea. I want to open a restaurant next to an abortion clinic because the women will leave the clinic on an empty stomach.
I think business.
It's not funny.
Hello, Ria Malata, Haifita, Umbiti.
Malata. Mine. Mine.
Hi, Duma, Yata Maya. Agosa, Kimulat. I'll go cool the day. No Malata and say,
Swag and twine.
Guys, ngithengisa umuthi wamagondwana ligijimisa ulingathesa 1 spoon ekuseni 1 spoon zambama lize life.
Sometimes abanye abantu babuya empilweni yakho just for ukuzocheck ukuthi usase isleep. Hayi
baphuzise leyo nto.
Isicela imali umfana ethi akanayo waye ucasuka because nawe awunayo leyo mali anganayo yena. Indaba ke ucasuka indaba ongafuna uunderstand uthina akanayo ekubeni nawe ungenayo. Waye ke wena ungamuphike leyo mali basho ukuthi phela wena unayo le mali ayicelayo.
Imali.
Indaba ongafuna uunderstand nethina akanayo because nawe unayo vele ngoba icela nje ungenayo. Waye ucasuka pho?
Imali ifuna.
MC bamnanda bafana bashimani babambara. Boys are delicious. Hey, Lynn.
Mistake.
Hey, Lynn. You are supposed to say, yes, we are delicious. Sorry, boys are delicious. Hey, when?
Mistake, man.
Hey.
Bese kuzobela ama relationship enu amiswe imali.
Chalet.
Akuthi mecela imali phela umtshela awunayo.
Money. Why?
Aphinda icela phela umtshela awunayo. Mhlawumbe kuze kube igaba entathu. Ubona ukuthi iconvoy yenu izoqhubeka iflow ngalendlela ibiflow ngayo before. Mecela imali nje vetana uthi awunayo uzobona. Emva kwalokho uzohleze ebusy ufuna ukumbona. Uma uchetha naye nje uyabona nje ukuthi useyabanda nje lo muntu iconvoy ayisafani nasekuqaleni.
Ubonwa ngemali.
Siyashesha manokulala. Mhlawumbe akasasho ngisho ukuthi good night. Sevela lale nje evuka ekseni mhlawumbe uthi uyambuza nje kuphendule ngenye nje indlela. Yazi ngobani ngoba relationship yakhe imiswe imali hayi ngoba kuthanda ngempela ingoba nje imiswe imali futhi nje wena mangase uphelelwa umsebenzi ngale mali kwa relationship yakhe ngaphela
Ukabari nge bari gone I blew it at body gape sale wa baka sham
utlele guzumela lere go and took 24 Corona and 24 Astropes and Hennessy on the boot. Okamu correct wena na mbuzo kamu correct arnweni
Ebafethu islima umuntu ohlafuna igwinyi uyezwa kuthiwa gwinya marawuni uyahlafuna ayi mara siyekeni
Mechomi wa gobola a re mo wena go bona mfeletse ko lata Jesi ha fetsa re mo wena nka se tsenye yotlhe go tsenya tlhogo fela
tlhogo ya Jesi
Jesi na le 12 years to live
yo ayata bo ga Jesi.
If you are a man and you are single, please screw it in your head that you are out there looking for a partner, an equal. You're not on a rescue mission. You're not here to save anyone. So please.
Guys, now I'm going to put some work in at Hata Kavaka braces. As the fashion braces, get look a little back or vele konochi, no channel levato. Nana ngena gebeng we gima guys ko sekolong ba ntshwenya ba ro ka re ke gate ko le hodimo ne re ha ke to khoberitse ka teeth brush o ka re giraffe e parletse e dangalazitse ku tlo botlhoko gore e bulega gepela guys ka di-winter so ha o na le moya o kerekeletsa molodi ke sa nyake o nolla molodi because phefo e tsena mo gepeng ke drawa batho di-braces mo magazineng ke lo monyane kore itse ke ka mkhone ke di nyakang ka teng so no ka re ke di kreile ke tlo tsena ebile
That's funny.
Wa bona ke tsone le tse ke sa di batlentse that's why nna ke tsana go telelana go confirma le motho for ke mo relationship or not because of motho ka tloga tsogela one day a decide go kuta mogirela o tlhaba doga pele mo tlhogo why maqhosa le yana hai o tatetsela ka bona go tse status I like the women are becoming God is God busetsa mogiri man
nne ukuthi did you vote kumele uthi did you buy yabona I hope you understand
Bafuza hayi kabi kudu wami nami bangithumile bengithi nje ngu-correct Bafuza it's actually not did you buy the correct English term that you should use since the past tense is have you bought.
But now a correctional service. He is using the simple past tense and you are using the present perfect tense. Sometimes there is a difference in the meaning between the two forms. Okay. Now again.
Insizwa zigabhule zithe shiqi ezingesini yalongizana hey se right sona yenza xa insizwa isingese susithatha kakhulu singabikho ncam se right sona yenza zithi you bought ulate kakhulu ulate you buying you boughting yokonke sohluzwa phambili ulate gqitha ngoku
ulwe nomakhelwane umuze sekathi impuphu yami njalo le kupha amandla
Impala.
Shapo.
bona go ntse le busy go gopela modimo mmereko o mmotsa gore a o nyake go gola ka di-15 kare o khumana o tlhakana le motho wa go tseng ka di-15 a apere di-headset a ntse a le busy a gapha matso o kare o bolela le motho ka phone kgane o bolela le tee wa tlhakantša go tlhakana
O gotse mos.
Where are you going? I'm going to get clothes. Hey, wait for me. I also want clothes. Wait for me. I also want clothes. Wait for me. Wait. I also want clothes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
But you are wearing clothes. So what do you mean? Oh, he's going to get clothes from the line. We are pop. Basadi ba pop.
Hey, kudhiwa mali ya bhuti, kudhiwa mali ya bhuti. Bhuti ngwana e hola 3.5, nta dai ne ka 3.5 mina.
Ba bona ga ile re bujala ke bone the main cause ya di-accident mo tseleng. A batla go lo rekisa dikoloi. Ka go rona ba maoto ga re thulane. Go ka ka go tele tagwa le thulane le tagwa le leng ba tsamaya ka mo.
La lwana. La shapa.
Ye baba. Mo tsingphise ngesotho tsini.
Ke matsutsu.
Hayibo, ke matsutsu ini ayifetsa hayibo. Ke matsutsu.
Okay. Wena ma uthi ngiphisiwe ngesuthu. Sondele sondele.
Kizwanga.
Hayibo, kizwanga uphisiwe kusokuchama uyothi kizwanga. Ukizwanga usho ukuthi unjani? Buza. Awusazi isuthu.
Hey.
Buza.
Mawuthi ngidiniwe ngesuthu.
Ngikhathethi.
Hayi ukuthi ngikhathele, ngidiniwe. Like ngicasukile.
Ngidinehile.
Kimaperere. Awuyazi baby leyo mina ngiyayazi. Umukha umude kimaperere.
Hey. Scam nje. Hey baba. Scam nje angihlangani naso.
Mawuthi ngisuthi ngesuthu.
Ngitsutsi. Ngitsutsi.
Ngihotsi.
Tsutsu what?
Ngitsutsi.
Ki buz.
Awutsi.
Mawuthi ngesuthu. Kile. Mawuthi ngesuthu. Ngiphethe ikhanda.
Mawuthi ngesuthu ngiyakhwehlela.
Ngiyakhonhlola.
Hayi.
Alright.
Ngiyakhonhlola.
Khonhlola ini buza la awusazi ngiyakuhlula.
It's basadi.
South Africans are lazy. But why is it that you need these lazy doctors to help you for free when they are sick? These nurses to help you for free when you are sick? These teachers to teach your kids for free when they need education? When you need medication, you get medication for free from taxes that come from lazy people.
bafowethu angithi le reng mabahambe sehamba mara le tlhokomela basadi ba rena Tshepo Sipho le Bothabang le tlhokomela basadi ba rena ba batla soft life and le ba fang tsona.
Le ba sentse man. Le ba sentse wena Abudul. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching and thanks for making it this far. See you in the next upload. Azish, take care.
Talent.